Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our guide on how to increase American Express credit card limit. In this video and in just a few minutes, we'll explore the benefits of increasing your credit card limit, the steps that you can take to actually achieve this, and some valuable tips to ensure a smooth and successful process. So before we dive into the process of actually increasing your credit limit, let's take a moment to understand the two main reasons why you might want to pursue this goal. And the first one is accommodating larger purchases is one of the primary benefits of having a higher credit limit. That gives you the ability to make larger purchases without exceeding your available credit. So imagine that you need to buy a new appliance, pay for a medical procedure, or invest in a high value item. With a higher credit limit, you will have the flexibility to charge these expenses to your credit card, potentially earning valuable rewards points or taking advantage of promotional financing offers. And the second one is improving your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in determining your credit score. Your credit utilization ratio is calculated by dividing your current credit card balances by your total available credit limits. Ideally, you want to keep this ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. And by increasing your credit limit, you can effectively lower your credit utilization ratio without necessarily reducing your spending, therefore potentially boosting your credit score over time. And now that we understand the benefits of increasing the limit, let's discuss the three key requirements that you should meet before requesting a credit limit increase from American Express. The first one is that you regularly need to use your credit card American Express, as they want you to see that you're actively using the credit card for which you're requesting a limit increase. If you rarely use the card or keep it idle for long periods, American Express may question why you need a higher credit limit. Make sure to use your card regularly for your everyday purchases, demonstrating your commitment to the card and your ability to manage credit responsibly. Another one is to maintain a good payment history, as your payment history is a crucial factor in American Express's decision to grant a credit limit increase. Consistently making on-time payments and ideally paying your balance in full each month demonstrates your financial responsibility and reliability. So aim to establish a track record of timely payments, not just for the recent billing cycles, but throughout your entire history with the card. And lastly, to be in good standing with American Express. So in addition to a solid payment history, you should also ensure that you are in good standing with American Express overall. This means avoiding situations where your account is under manual review, financial review, or on hold for any reason. Maintain a positive relationship with American Express by using your card responsibly, staying within your credit limit, and promptly addressing any issues or concerns that may arise. By meeting these three requirements, you will be well positioned to request a credit limit increase from American Express and increase your chances of approval. So with the requirements met, it's time to explore the three different methods that you can use to request a credit limit increase from American Express. And the first option is to call the number on the back of your credit card. So you can simply call the customer service number on the back of your American Express credit card. By speaking with a representative directly, you can discuss your request, provide any necessary information, and receive a decision or guidance on the next steps. You can also chat online with an American Express representative if you prefer a written communication method. You can initiate an online chat with an American Express representative through their website, and this allows you to conveniently request a credit limit increase and receive a response without the need for a phone call. You can also use the online feature within your American Express account. So the third and most convenient option is to request a credit limit increase using the online feature within your American Express account. You simply log into your American Express account, click on Account Services, and then locate the Increase Your Credit Limit button. You would have to enter the new credit limit that you are requesting. I would recommend aiming for double or triple your current credit limit, and then you simply submit your request. After that, your request will either be approved, rejected, or maybe a counter offer from American Express. And finally, to optimize your chances of success and navigate the credit limit increase process smoothly, keep these tips and considerations in mind. The first one is timing your requests. I would recommend waiting at least 60 days after opening a new credit card account before requesting a credit limit increase, unless you have another American Express credit card that is at least 6 months old. Also, you want to space out your credit limit increase requests by approximately 6 months to avoid appearing too aggressive or risky to American Express. If your request is rejected, wait at least 90 days before attempting another one. American Express allows you to transfer credit lines from one card to another. providing an alternative way to increase the credit limit on a specific card. So you can transfer credit lines between personal cards, business cards, or from personal to business cards, but not from business to personal cards. This option is particularly useful if you have reached the maximum credit limit American Express is willing to extend across all your cards. Another strategy to increase your overall credit limit with American Express is to apply for a new credit card. Not only does this provide you with a new credit limit, but it also gives you access to the benefits and rewards associated with a new card. However, make sure that you strategically choose a new card that aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. So in conclusion, increasing your credit card limit on American Express cards can be a smart financial move, providing you with greater purchasing power, improved credit utilization, and potentially boosting your credit score. By following the steps outlined in today's video and keeping the tips and considerations in mind, you'd be well equipped to triple your credit limit and unlock new financial opportunities. Remember to meet the key requirements before requesting a credit limit increase. Choose the method that works best for you and be strategic in timing your requests and managing your overall credit limits. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.